Institute for Culture and Ecology is a non-governmental organization based in Kenya and working with local communities and schools. And our main focus is on environmental conservation, enhancing food sovereignty, and also other community livelihoods. In our work, especially on environmental programs, we have really seen the need to involve the youth. And we have been working with youth both in school and outside school in a program that we are calling the BioSchool. Maina Wanjigi School, which is in this documentary, is one of the successes that we have registered through our BioSchool project. And we have been able to see the students, to work with the students and establish a good environment in the school, which has set a good example for other schools. We wish to replicate this project in many other schools, both in urban and rural areas, and as they leave schools, so that we can promote environmental conservation.
The BioSchool project is a joint project between the Institute for Culture and Ecology and Maina Wanjigi Secondary School, among other schools. It started in Maina Wanjigi Secondary School on pilot basis, where we have been supporting the environmental club, that is the wildlife club there, to establish a tree nursery and to do tree planting within the compound. And this has happened, and from our success in Maina Wanjigi, we explored the possibility of going to other schools to replicate the project, and so far we have been able to move to 5 other schools in Nairobi, and also we have reached out to 5 more schools within the Kamuranga region. So this is a documentary about the successes that Maina Wanjigi registered in the course of implementing the BioSchool project, as well as the challenges that were experienced, with a view to looking at how this project can be implemented elsewhere, and also trying to see whether other people or organizations can come on board and support this project.
Yeah, our school is actually situated in Isili, which is known for being a business hub, and it is just buildings and empty land. So we thought, because this school is actually at the back, we would say it is the last of Isili. And the school was quite bare, and we decided with this club, why don't we make this school green? Why don't we make the air fresh for us? Why don't we make it a friendly school that students can be in and they forget the outside world, which is just actually outside our gate. So the club, which is composed mainly of Somali students who really have not seen forests, and especially the ones who come from Somalia, where they only know war and sand. So they were very interested in planting a tree and even watering, because we gave each tree to a student in that club and told them to take care of this one. And as the tree came up, you could see the interest of the students. They could not believe that they had really planted these trees and they were really coming up. So the school, like a joke, turned into a green hub now. We call ourselves a green hub in Isili.
So the environment in school and the one outside there is two totally and completely different environments. So the school, we can take the opportunity to go outside there and maybe have an environmental cleaning day whereby we show them that we are really trying something in which they can
cleanups.
Yeah, cleanups.
Through that, people can see us now doing it.
Yeah, when they see us doing it, they will just follow our example and try to keep it at least clean. So that will have at least helped us and them to clean the environment.
Now you are informed for what plans do you have after leaving school?
I have so many plans, but concerning environment,
yes.
I think you mean that, right?
Yes.
And concerning environment, maybe I will join 1 or 2 clubs outside there that include environmental teaching or something like that.
The major achievements, I would say one is keeping the environment, the land is. Okay, my name is Mrs. Lucio Esther. I'm the one in charge of the wildlife club in this school, that is in Maina Wanjigi Secondary School.
Okay, being in charge of the club.
One of the major challenges is that, as one of the students said, the community that we have and where most of our students come, they have not been involved, or they have not seen an environment like this one here, that is in tree planting. They come from northeastern, where it is only keeping of nature and all of that. But we have encouraged them more and more. Many have joined the club. You find when we started touching the soil, especially to the girls.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
And they are able now to embrace the idea of touching the soil and planting a tree.
They have, and they are enjoying.
Okay.
They are enjoying and seeing what is coming out of it. That they can plant a tree and it grows up. They are enjoying.
So what are the challenges
Mainly, I would say, and especially maybe when we have planted trees and there is no water in the school. Our water comes from the city council, and at times you find it is not there. The school has to buy water, and at that time you find there is not enough water to be able to water the trees. We would like, even if we are assisted, maybe even to dig a borehole, to have a borehole, we can be sure there is water flowing throughout. Yes.
We need to encourage the students to know that this is a project that should never die, that it is a continuing project, and if we have to cut some trees, we want them to know that if you cut one tree, you should plant very many, and if we get support to keep our nursery going on, then we would have a continuous supply of seedlings. We want to turn the school into a very fresh air zone that anybody coming in will love to come back and not just leave because of coming out of the city, which is very, very polluted.
Our experience from the project implementation has shown us that there is a very big potential in working with young people to promote environmental conservation. One is that we have managed to have attitude change, in the sense that young people are coming out of schools when they are environmentally conscious, and when they go out there they join the communities and they initiate environmental conservation projects. And we would really want to expand this project to more schools and even to the communities, and therefore we are appealing for more support to be able to support the schools to perfect this work in order to reach more people and have attitude change as far as environmental conservation is concerned.